Okay, so hello everyone. Today's topic is write a C program to find the average of n numbers using arrays. So basically, if we consider our normal programs, we can declare three normal variables, for example, A, B, and C. Okay, and then we can insert some values also in that variables like A equal to 10, B equal to 20, or C equal to 30. And after that it is very easy, like sum equal to A plus B, that will give you the addition part, and then average will be equal to what, sum divided by 3, because obviously we have three numbers, and you will get the average very easily. So that is the normal concept, but here the question heading is you have to write a C program to find the average of n numbers using what, arrays. So hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. Okay, that is the two header files. After that, void main function and open the bracket. Now in that void main function, we are declaring two integer variables, that is I and n. Okay, I is for that for loop counter purpose, and n is for that how many numbers you want to enter in an array. So in the beginning we are going to ask that first, because here also the program heading is find the average of n numbers. So that's why we have used one variable, that is what, n. And now in the next line, the float a of 10, and then sum and average. So again, one is the array variable, that is a of 10, and sum and average are nothing but the normal variable names, but with the data type as what, float. And also here initially we are writing sum equal to what, 0. Now next step is what, printf and scanf. So here we are asking user that enter the number of elements. That means how many number you want to enter, 5 numbers, 3 numbers, 2 numbers, or like 7 numbers, 11 numbers. It is on the user side. Okay, now enter the number of elements. That means scanf, like for example if I say 5, which means I want to enter 5 different numbers. Okay, so here we have the for loop for that, for I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So inside this for loop only, we are asking also that you enter first number, enter second number, enter third number, like using this printf and scanf. Okay, we are asking also, and at the same time we are doing the addition also. Okay, means sum plus equal to a of I. What is the meaning of sum plus equal to a of I? It indicates that sum is equal to sum plus a of I, and when it comes to first time, we know that initial value of sum is equal to what, 0. Okay, so first time it will take sum equal to 0. Okay, 0 plus a of I, and first time a of I is nothing but what, 0 plus a of 0. So what or whichever number is in a of 0, it will take that number. Okay, so from there you will get the latest value of sum from there. Okay, and likewise inside the for loop for total 5 times, because if we assume n equal to 5, if you are assuming n equal to 3, obviously for loop only 3 times. Okay, if you are assuming 7, then it means obviously for 7 times. Okay, so for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and sum plus equal to, from this for loop you will get the addition part, only sum part, but our heading is average. Okay, not the sum. Okay, so what we are doing after this for loop, average equal to latest value of sum. Okay, and dividing it by number of elements, that is n. So from there we will get what, average, and then again printf average, and we are using percent %f because here you can see that float average. Okay, so for that average variable we have used which data type, float, and therefore we are using what, percent %f. So here enter the number of elements, just the output, just for the reference purpose. Like for example user will enter 3, which means you enter first number, so user will enter for example 10, then you enter second number, so user will enter 10 again, for example maybe, and enter number 3 means third time also you enter one more number, so for example user will enter 5. So now we know that 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25, that is the sum part. but the heading is average. So 25 divided by 3 and we will get what? 8.33. So that is nothing but the average. Okay. So thank you all.